Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, 5-star rated, over 5,000 reviews, guaranteed we beat Home Depot and Lowe's. The nation's largest discount appliance dealer, over 24 stores in 3 states. Visit us at appliancefactory.com.
Hi everyone, Chef Mark here at Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. I'm in Thornton at our flagship location, and normally I'm out there cooking and I'm showing you some great recipes, but lately I've been in the store helping on the sales floor because as an essential business, people need appliances more than ever. And lately I've learned a lot about what makes a house tick when it comes to home appliances. And a washer and dryer, for a lot of people, is critical. Now, I like a washer and dryer with a steam system. And what that means is that there's a steam engine inside the dryer, which offers sanitizing, speed cycles, refresh cycles. And I really think that that's really the best choice, whether it's the Samsung, which I really love in the champagne color, or something higher, low capacity, front load, top load. Doesn't matter. If you're coming to buy a washer and dryer, you're gonna need some parts. Now, if you're doing your install yourself, you might be able to reuse some of your parts, like your hoses. But we always recommend replacing your parts with new parts if you're doing your own install. And if you're having us do the installation, we're happy to do that, but you're gonna need a budget for these parts. We don't reuse old parts because we wanna make sure that your washer and dryer get installed perfectly. So by using new components and parts, we can ensure that. So you're gonna need a budget for a few things. You're gonna need a plug. When you come in here, take a look, see if you need a 4-prong or a 3-prong plug. Now, if your house is a little older, pre-1990, chances are it's a 3-prong plug. That could have been updated, but you can take a look. It's very simple, just peek behind the machine. And then for the dryer, anything post-1990, so a little bit more modern, is gonna be a 4-prong. If you're not sure, order both and return the one you don't need. But we have these available. These are about $25. You're gonna need a vent. These are flexible vents. This is important. This allows your dryer to breathe for the hot air to escape for exhaust. These are about $20. You're gonna need hoses for the washer. I like the stainless hoses. There's 2 in a pack. They're 6 feet long. They're flexible. They've got a great lifespan, but make sure that you budget for these as well, around $30. And lastly, if you're doing a washer and dryer with steam, you're gonna need a steam kit. This has a splitter that allows water to make it over to the dryer so that that steam function can work. You can buy a washer and dryer with steam and not hook it up if you're trying to save a few bucks. But if you're gonna go that extra step, it's best to have one of these. So it's important to budget about $120 for all the components that you're gonna need for the installation, whether we're doing it for you or if you're doing it yourself. So with plugs, a lot of times, the manufacturer, they don't know if you need a 3 or 4-prong plug. So they kind of leave it up to the consumer to go ahead and purchase this. So I hope this helps. When you're coming in for a washer and dryer, make sure that you double check which size plug you need, budget for those components, and that's gonna make your new washer and dryer experience go that much more smoother. From Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom, this is Chef Mark. Thanks for tuning in.